Sony is doing that quiet but powerful move again, and honestly, it's hard not to get excited. The Sony WF-1000XM6 has leaked in a big way, and this time, we're not just talking about blurry images or vague hints. We're getting real specs, real features, and a pretty clear picture of what Sony is planning next. And yes, it sounds impressive already. According to recent leaks, the Sony WF-1000XM6 is expected to launch on February 12, 2026, which means it's basically right around the corner. When earbuds start showing up on retail websites with pricing and images, that's usually Sony's way of saying, yep, this is happening. Along with those listings, detailed specs have also surfaced, giving us a solid look at what's new. The biggest upgrade here is the brand new QN3E audio processor. Sony claims this chip delivers up to 3 times the performance of the previous generation. That's not just marketing talk either, because it directly impacts sound quality and noise cancellation. Paired with this new chip are newly designed drivers and a total of 8 adaptive microphones. Yes, 8. That's a big jump, and it should result in noticeably stronger active noise canceling and clearer audio overall. Sony's noise canceling system now adapts in real time to your surroundings. Whether you're walking on a busy street or sitting quietly at home, the earbuds automatically adjust. There are also 3 ambient sound modes, so you can stay aware of what's happening around you when needed. For music lovers, the WF-1000XM6 supports high-res wireless audio via LDAC, along with DSEE Extreme, which intelligently upscales compressed audio. Add a 10-band equalizer into the mix, and you've got full control over how your music sounds. Call quality is getting a serious boost too. Sony is using beam-forming microphones combined with bone conduction sensors to capture your voice more accurately. Wind noise reduction and AI-powered voice processing help make calls clearer, even in loud environments. Comfort hasn't been ignored either. The earbuds feature an improved ergonomic design, better insulating ear tips, and even a fit test in the app to help you get the perfect seal. Battery life looks solid, offering up to 8 hours on the earbuds and another 16 hours from the charging case, giving a total of 24 hours. Fast charging is supported, and the case also works with wireless charging. Of course, using ANC will reduce those numbers slightly, but that's expected. Touch controls handle music, calls, and microphones, while smart gestures make daily use smoother. On the feature side, Sony is packing in almost everything. You get 360 reality audio with head tracking, LE audio, Auracast for audio sharing, adaptive sound control, speak to chat, quick attention mode, and even a background music effect. Connectivity includes Bluetooth multipoint, fast pair, swift pair, and IPX4 water resistance for workouts and light rain. Everything is managed through the Sony Sound Connect app on Android and iOS. Will it be more expensive? Yes, very likely. But with these upgrades, the Sony WF-1000XM6 is shaping up to be a strong and worthwhile evolution. The real question now is simple: would you upgrade when it launches? Honestly, it feels like one of those upgrades that doesn't scream for attention, but quietly fixes almost everything that mattered before. Sony isn't reinventing wireless earbuds here, and I think that's actually a smart move. Instead, they're refining what already worked and pushing performance where users will actually notice it. The new QN3E processor is the part that excites me the most. Better processing usually means cleaner sound and stronger noise canceling, and pairing that with 8 microphones sounds like Sony is serious about staying on top of ANC. Call quality improvements are also a big deal, especially for people who take calls on the move. Bone conduction sensors and AI voice cleanup could make daily use way less frustrating. Battery life staying at 24 hours total might not sound groundbreaking, but it's reliable and realistic. I'd rather have honest numbers than flashy claims that don't hold up. Features like multi-point, Auracast, and adaptive sound control make the XM6 feel future-ready, not just premium for today. The only real concern is price. If Sony pushes it too high, some users may hesitate. Still, if sound quality and ANC truly improve, the WF-1000XM6 looks like a confident, polished upgrade rather than a risky one.